Here's something going downstairs.
Okay, you can open your eyes now. Oh.
That's for you.
Thank you.
And this is for you.
Oh, thank
And this is for you.
Thank you.
And this is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Samantha, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, Steffi.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Buy cards or anything.
Daddy, you get to read your card later, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
Happy Valentine's Day.